Just like on the other page, there is a tour there that's available. So we're going to skip that now. Actually, or we can just take the tour so you can see how this works. You'd push yes, watch the tour, and then it kind of guides you through and shows you how to set up your different um, sprayers. And so the tour is there to help out. So again, if you need that, that's up in the top corner, and again, it goes right through the same tour. So let's add our sprayers. These are another really important thing to do. If you don't know the the sprayer output on the top of your head, it's not a difficult calculation to figure out. You just figure out when you go mix go mix to spray your greens, for example, and you think your greens are 3 acres, and you mix up 300 gallons, then your sprayer output is 100 gallons per acre. So you do need to know that value, but if you're not sure what it is, just think about how much square footage do you treat, and then divide that by how many gallons you would normally spray, and that is your sprayer output. If you have a GPS sprayer, then you can define that down to really high levels of accuracy. But when you're setting up your sprayer, you want to make it set up so that when you go to spray your greens based on the area you just put up in the My Course page, you now get this value that is like the right round number, right? You don't want it to say you need to mix up 298 gallons when you know it should be about 300 gallons because of you just didn't put the number in the way that you would have done it normally. So if we come in here and put in our sprayer, say I'm using a Toro Multi-Pro 1250, and let's say I did a frost retrofit on it. So now it's a variable rate sprayer. And then you might, in these scenarios, when you have like a variable rate sprayer like this, or even if you have a sprayer in which you can switch different nozzle sets by turning the nozzle, you might think I only have one sprayer, but you actually have different configurations. And so maybe in this example, I'm going to do one that's 50 gallons per acre. And so that would be how I'm going to set this one up. So maximum sprayer capacity, we'll say, is 175 gallons, and my sprayer volume is 50, and that is gallons per acre. And so we will save that. And now we'll see that application there, or that sprayer there. If you need to change that, you just push the little edit sprayer button, and you can edit it at that point. Then let's say we have the exact same sprayer, so I'm going to name it the same thing. But now my retrofit is going to be we're going to set this guy up to do 2 gallons per 1,000. All right, so I'm going to name that one. So it's just a different setting or nozzle set, but it's the same sprayer. And so again, I still have 175 gallons. And now I'm going to set it to 2 gallons per 1,000. And so we can go through and we can have different setups. And so we can have another one too. Maybe it's like the John Deere Fairway sprayer. And maybe this is a larger capacity. So let's say this is 300 gallon capacity, and we spray this normally at 1.25 gallons per 1,000 square feet. So that's how you set up your sprayers. Nothing too complicated here. For granular spreaders, drop spreaders, rotary spreaders, that's all done on a new application page, so we don't have to add that information now.